Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 Mobile Edition. First, you'll need to download the game from your device's app store. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. Once installed, launch the game and head into the Settings menu. Here, you can customize your controls, adjusting sensitivity and button layouts to fit your personal playstyle. Taking a few moments to set this up will greatly improve your initial gameplay. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. You'll use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move Leon, and the right side for camera control and actions. Interact with doors, items, and puzzles by tapping the on-screen prompts. Keep an eye on your health bar. Green herbs and first aid sprays are vital for survival. Remember to conserve your ammunition by aiming for headshots or other enemy weak points to maximize damage and efficiency. Combat in Resident Evil 4 Mobile is intense and strategic. You'll encounter a variety of enemies, so choose your weapons wisely. Tap the weapon icon to switch between your equipped firearms. Your inventory is crucial for survival. Open it to combine items, equip armor, and manage your limited resources. Don't forget about Leon's quick-turn ability for fast repositioning and his powerful melee attacks, which can stun enemies and save precious bullets. To truly master Resident Evil 4 Mobile, make sure to visit the merchant regularly. He's your go-to for upgrading weapons, purchasing new gear, and selling unwanted treasures. Always explore every nook and cranny of the game's environments. You'll often find hidden items, extra cash, and crucial ammunition. These small discoveries can make a big difference in your survival. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.